Hello guys, today we are going to solve Leetcode 3702, that is longest subsequence with non-zero bitwise XOR. So it is medium level question, and in the question you are given an integer array nums and return the length of longest subsequence in nums whose bitwise XOR is non-zero. If no subsequence exists, return zero. See in the question, like subsequence, what is the meaning of the subsequence? We can delete any element of the array. So after deleting the some element of the array, we can get the subsequence. So suppose if we are having an array. Okay, this is the array. And first, what I can do, I can have one variable masked. Okay, I am having one variable. And if I do XOR of whole array, okay, XOR on whole array, then what I can get? See, if I am doing XOR, then there is two possibility. Either I will get zero or I will get non-zero answer. Okay. In case of non-zero answer, we have to return the maximum length of the sequence. So maximum length, what will be the maximum length? It will be nums dot length. If we are traversing whole array and doing XOR operation, and if it is not zero, then we have to return nums dot length. It is clear. Okay. Now, what will be the second case? Second case, we are getting the zero. Then in this scenario, we have to delete some element. We have to delete element of array. Okay. And now suppose for this array, this can have 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1, 2, 4, like this. So if we want to delete any element, so there is no meaning to delete the zero, because if we do any operation with zero, we do bitwise operation with zero. If we do XOR with zero, okay. Suppose if I am doing any number XOR with zero, if X XOR with zero, then we will get X only. So deleting this element will not make any sense. Okay, because if we are doing XOR, if the number is A, and if we are doing XOR with zero, then it will be only A. Then there is no need to delete 0. Okay, and now see, this case is clear, and now we will see only for this case. Now suppose again there is array. Okay, and bitwise XOR of whole array is, suppose it is 0. I am getting 0, and we already know if we do 0 XOR with X, we will get only X. Okay, and now I have to delete some element, and element is can be like this. So what I can do, I can also count 0 in whole array. Like I can count 0 in whole array. Here 0 is 1, so it is 1. I can have count 0 variable and it is 1. And while we are deleting the element, we need to make sure we are not deleting element 0, because if we are deleting 0th element, then there is no meaning of that, because XOR will be same, it will be not change. But see, here 0 XOR X, it is X, and we already got XOR 0. Suppose while we traverse this array and do XOR with bitwise XOR, we are getting 0 here also. Okay. Now if I will delete any non-zero element, then what will be our next XOR? Okay. What I am saying, see, here it is 0, and I am deleting some non-zero element. Okay. So earlier, so if I am deleting non-zero element, so what will be XOR? If I am doing some operation with non-zero, so I am sure it will be non-zero. It will be non-zero. If I am doing XOR with 0, 0 XOR with any non-zero number, then I will get non-zero number. So that was the case. So in the case, we have told that if answer is not 0, my length is maximum length. If answer is 0, then I have to delete one non-zero element, and if I will delete one non-zero element, then my new sub array will not have 0 bitwise sum. Okay, now we will see through code. And now if we will go on the code, okay, and here I did the full screen, and I will solve in the JavaScript. Okay. First thing what we do, we have created a variable now named as bast 0. Okay. Here we will store the bitwise thing. Okay. So what I did, let I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length. Okay. And I plus plus. I can do one more thing, like for the nums dot length, I can use one more variable, and I will have this variable as const length, and this will be nums dot length, and I can replace this thing. Okay. And now I am traversing the array, and what I am doing, I am doing masked equal to masked XOR with nums I, and I will also keep track of 0, like how many 0 is there. So I have one variable count 0, and it is 0 in initial, and I will check if nums I equal to 0, then I have to increment count 0 plus plus. I can do this thing in curly braces also. Okay, count, I will have count 0 plus plus. Now I already know, see, I already know if count 0, see, count 0 equal to length. Okay, if count 0 equal to length, it means the all the element of the array is 0. All the element of the array is 0, and deleting any element will not change its XOR. Okay, because deleting 0 is not making any sense. So we will return here 0. This is the case. If no such subsequence exists, return 0. Okay. Second case, what will be? If our mask, okay, not equal to 0. If our mask is not 0, then we have to return length. So inside the mask, we are actually doing the bitwise operation with each element. So I have to return length. And in case if mask is 0, so like if we are on this line, okay, here, if we are here, then what I need to do, I need to delete one of the non-zero element. Okay, count 0 is, see, it means if we reached here, it means count 0. Okay, it means count 0 is less than length. It is clear. Okay, so it means we have at least one non-zero element. Okay, so we have to delete that element. So after deleting, what will be the length? After deleting, our length will be length minus 1. It will be our length. Okay, so we will return length minus 1, and we will submit the code and check if it is working fine or not. If you are liking this video, then please comment or give likes or subscribe. It really motivate to me. Yeah, it is passed, and now if I will submit the code, yes, it is submitted. So yeah, that's all for the today. And if you like this video, yeah, please give the like or make any comment if you want anything. Okay, or if you want if you want to give any suggestion.